Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing only what matters, a Python 3.10 plus environment and a working Virtualenv. Once done, verify pip and Python versions so package installs behave. Make sure you have access to a GPU or budget cloud slot. Without GPU, you'll be slow. Then clone a small, documented LLM repository and run the setup commands, create the Virtualenv, install dependencies, and download a toy model. This gives you a runnable pipeline immediately so you can iterate fast. Next, you move into training and fine-tuning by starting small. Prepare 1K to 10K examples in JSONL with clear prompts and completions. Once the data is ready, run a short fine-tune with 1 to 3 epochs in small batches so you learn behavior without wasting time. Make sure to log loss and validation scores, then adjust learning rates systematically. Try 1E5, 5E5, 1E4, and enable mixed precision if available to speed up training and reduce memory use. Finally, you evaluate and prepare for deployment by testing on held-out data with metrics that match the task. Use blue or rouge for generation, accuracy for classification. Once satisfied, optimize the model, quantize or prune, to hit latency and memory targets and test on the actual hardware. If things go wrong, first inspect for data leakage, noisy labels, or an aggressive learning rate schedule. Then rerun with clean data and conservative hyperparameters. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.